everybody and welcome back to my brand new YouTube giveaway. Yes, this is going to be a special week as we are going to celebrate two major events. One is International Women's Day and the other is Festival of Colors, that is Holi. To make this occasion even more joyous, I have planned to do a major giveaway for all my viewers out there. Here's what I have got from Shop CJ. It is a carton load of goodies, especially the makeup and beauty products for all you beautiful women out there. Men, do not lose your heart. You too can participate in this contest and stand a chance to win this wonderful goodies, makeup goodies for the women in your life special. So without any further delays, let me quickly tell you the rules of the game. It's a very simple giveaway. All you have to do is number one, follow me on YouTube. If you are not following me, subscribe to my channel now. Number two is that you have to watch my videos and link one of your most favorite video in my comment box below and tell me why is it your favorite. Third is very simple. Again, you have to share this contest on your social media page, whatever you have. If you're on Twitter, share it on Twitter. If you're on Facebook, share it on Facebook. If you're on Instagram, do share it on Instagram as well, and do leave the links of them below. There will be 3 winners in this giveaway, and the winners will get assorted goodies from the 2 Color Bliss box that I have got from Shop CJ. So here's what I have got from Shop CJ. The first thing is that I've got some complete color correction cream by Nutriglow. It's an all-in-one CC complexion cream with gold shimmer. It looks very nice. So it's the first thing that you can win. Apart from that, we have some interesting mascara from Color Bliss. We also have eye pencil from Color Bliss, and then we have some nice interesting eyeliners in the shades of blue, black and golden if you wish to win. It is also there inside the box. The box also has this assorted lip colors. There are around 6 lip colors inside this box. So I'll show you how the lip color looks like. I'll just take one out of it, and this is how the packaging is very simple plastic basic packaging, and I'll show you how one of the lip color looks like. Okay, it comes with a sharp bullet and so very nice deep red pigmented color. You want to see some more colors, so there are a lot of colors inside this. It's not just red. You have some nice maroon. Look at this, how rich it looks like. You have some brown, and you may have pink. You can see this magenta or rani kind of a pink color. It's very lovely looking, gorgeous color. It will accentuate your skin tone. Then you have some very amazing colors, since Holi is a festival of colors. So you have assortment of nail paints inside it. They are very beautiful, I say nail art kind of colors. Over here you find one in silver, golden, fuchsia and whatnot colors. So there will be like around 5 to 6 nail paints inside this. And apart from that, what all we have another very interesting stuff. It is it is for those who love looking glowing and bright. It is a compressed 2-in-1 compressed powder by Color Bliss. You have 2 compartments, one and you will have mirror and the powder, and the other compartment, which is a second compartment. Oh, where is it? Okay, you have a very beautiful looking dual tone blush inside it. I'll show you the beautiful pink color of the blush. This is how this blush looks like. Very nice, very feminine pink color. Both of them come with their own sponge applicator, so there's no question of mixing matching. That's a beautiful 2-in-1 Color Bliss compact. And there's also a very interesting pouch. You can carry your makeup in it. It's a maroon or golden pouch, one of the pouch that you will get. And last but not the least, you will get this is a Nutriglow Advanced Meta Instant White Pro Plus facial. It is a 5-in-1 facial which helps you which brings cellular age. It's a 5-in-1 facial which has cellular age balance system and antioxidant infusion process. This one kit alone costs around rupees 1350, and it has not just one but 5 products inside. One is the mulberry cleanser, instant glow scrub, rejuvenating massage gel, nourishing massage cream, sparkling glow mask pack, and royal touch serum. Well folks, that was all about this giveaway today. I hope you have a very happy, joyous and safe Holi. Use right colors to play Holi, and please do not waste water during the Holi. And wishing all the women who are watching there or who are not even watching there a very happy Women's Day. I hope you liked my video. Take care and